Hey everyone, today we're ranking the top 5 best mechanical keyboards you can buy on AliExpress in 2026, featuring wireless modes, hot swappable layouts, smart screens, and pro gaming performance. If you're building a setup on a budget without sacrificing quality, stick around because this list has picks. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's go. Number 1. SKYLOONG GK87 Pro 3-Mode Wireless Mechanical Keyboard 2026 Edition. 87% layout, 8000 Hz polling rate, hot swappable, 2-inch RGB screen, tri-mode wireless, BT 2.4G, USB-C, low latency performance. Taking the crown is the SKYLOONG GK87 Pro 2026 Edition, the best all-around keyboard on AliExpress right now. It combines speed, responsiveness, customization, and quality. The 8000 Hz polling and low latency modes deliver competitive gaming performance, while the RGB screen makes customization a breeze, all without heavy software. This keyboard hits every box, making it the ultimate pick of 2026. Pros: best performance and responsiveness, smart RGB screen, hot swap support, tri-mode wireless. Number 2. WOMIER SK75 Wireless Aluminum Mechanical Keyboard. 75% layout, compact but functional. Aluminum body, gasket mount for cushioned typing, via custom support, hot swappable sockets, 3 wireless modes. This one's all about build quality and feel. The aluminum case and gasket mount give a soft, premium typing experience, ideal for long sessions of work or gaming. It's not as flashy as others, but if you want quality you can feel, this is it. Pros: premium aluminum build, gasket mount for soft typing, hot swappable, multiple wireless modes. Best for typists and everyday users who care about comfort and quality. Number 3. AULA L99 Touchable Intelligent Screen Keyboard. Wireless Bluetooth keyboard, touchable intelligent screen display, tri-mode connectivity, custom RGB effects. The AULA L99 stands out with its smart touchable screen, a feature rarely seen at this price. It gives quick access to lighting and modes without software. Typing feel is smooth and intuitive. While it's not the fastest for hardcore gaming, its blend of features and style makes it a unique pick. Pros: smart touchscreen, wireless Bluetooth, stylish RGB, easy customization. Best for tech lovers and esports gamers who want flashy features. Number 4. wegear PIXIU 98 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. 98-key compact layout, Cherry MX2A linear switches, 8000 Hz polling rate, tri-mode, Bluetooth, 4.G, USB-C, RGB lighting. This keyboard is built for performance. With an 8000 Hz polling rate, it delivers super smooth responsiveness, especially in FPS tiles. The 98-key layout gives you a number pad in a compact footprint. Linear switches feel quick and easy to mash during gaming, making this keyboard a pro-level choice without the premium price. Pros: ultra-fast 8000 Hz polling, reliable wireless and wired modes, compact yet functional layout, smooth linear switches. Best for competitive gamers wanting speed and responsiveness. Number 5. SKYLOONG GK87 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. 87% compact layout, large 3.0 color display, 3 control knobs, full key hot swappable, RGB backlighting, wireless modes, Bluetooth, 2.4G, USB-C. The SKYLOONG GK87 Pro makes a strong first impression thanks to its built-in screen and knobs, rare in this price range. The screen gives you quick info, and the knobs make adjustments super intuitive. Typing feels satisfying and responsive, and the wireless performance is solid for everyday use. If you want a keyboard with visual flair and functionality, this is a strong choice. Pros: cool onboard screen and knobs, full hot swap support, 3 wireless modes, customizable RGB. Best for creators and gamers who want a feature-rich board with visual customization. And that wraps up our top 5 mechanical keyboards on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you want competitive performance, premium typing feel, or unique features, these keyboards have it all. Check the description for links. Drop a comment. Which one would you pick? Like if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more tech reviews.